Sampson is our pride and joy, our 109-year-old steam engine, and he pulls the Christmas Express, all 3 cars of it. Every Labor Day we have his birthday and invite all the kids to come and sing him happy birthday. Last year we had just about 1,200 people here over the 3 days. We're right in the middle of renovating or reassembling a shay from 1910, and that's going to be one of the few working shays in all of North America.
Can you sit with Daddy over here?
We were lucky enough to have Justin Trudeau and his family come and visit to see the new exhibit. We had 60 ambassadors from around the world come to see our exhibit, our brand new exhibit on modern day forestry. Our mandate is to tell the history of logging on Vancouver Island and the west coast of BC.
Final question! Who wants to go for train ride?